Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to recover Google Authenticator. So if you also want to recover Google Authenticator, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So in order to recover Google Authenticator, you'll need another device. Make sure you're connected to same Google account in another device too. Now what you have to do is launch open Google Chrome. You can see over here, I've already opened Google Chrome. Now click on the profile icon that you can see right over here. Now here you'll be able to see your profile. Right over here, you'll be able to see the option for manage your Google account. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At left, you can see several options. Click on the security option that you can see at fourth. Now you'll be led to security interface. Scroll down. Here you'll be able to find the option for two-step verification. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Scroll down. Here you'll be able to see several options. You can see option for passkeys and security keys, Google prompts, authenticator, phone number. All you have to do is click on the option authenticator. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see your authenticator over here. You can see the option for change authenticator app. All you have to do is click on it. Now this QR code will appear. What you have to do is scan the QR code from the device in which you want to recover the Google Authenticator. After you scan it, all you have to do is click on the next option that you can see right over here. Now a code will appear in the Google Authenticator app. All you have to do is enter that code. After that, click on the verify option that you can see right over here. And after that, you'll be able to recover Google Authenticator. So that is how you recover Google Authenticator. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.